What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2010 Mercedes-Benz S500, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the auxiliary battery on this car. So this car has been sitting for quite a while already, and I already replaced the battery on the back. By the way, this car is hybrid, so it has the hybrid battery, and also it has the main battery to power up the electronics, and also has an auxiliary battery as well. So you're gonna wonder, where is this battery located at? Well, that little battery, it's gonna be right here. I'm not sure if the camera can see it, but if you take these bolts out, those ones, and you're gonna see the little battery right there. It's behind that module. Alright, so the battery is actually right here. You can see it, but it's that one right there. And also, if you turn on your car, you're gonna see the message right away about the auxiliary battery. Let me just wait for it. Come on, let's just wait for it. It should be right here right away. Come on. And just to let you know that this car is hybrid, as you can see, that's the hybrid thing. And you should see it right here. Come on. Alright, so as you can see, we have the auxiliary battery malfunction. So it's pretty much the problem with this car. It's annoying. Alright, so you gotta take this 10mm out in order to get the bracket loose. And if you can see, I already got the battery loose right here. So just gotta unplug it. It's right here. This is a little battery right there. As you can see, it's really small and looks like already someone replaced this battery. Alright, so we have the battery here, and let's just test it really quick. We have the leads to the positive. I'll just make sure it stays there. Actually, I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold it with my other hand. And the other lead right here. And we have no voltage, 0.2. So that means our battery is not good. As you can see, 0.2. Not good. This is a 12-volt battery. It looks like it's been replaced already. Okay, so I'm gonna order one, and I'll be back when I get the battery. Alright, so here we have the new battery. So this is the old one, and this is the new one. And let me show you that this one is actually 12 volts. I'm gonna put our positive and negative lead right here. And there we go, 12.6 volts. And this one, well, it's not even showing any signs of life. Nothing at all. Let's see. Nope, nothing. It's completely dead. Alright, so here's the problem. So let me just install that new battery, and well, keep going. Alright, so this is the last test. Let's check it out, see what's gonna happen. Alright, so let's just wait. Let me close the door, and let's just wait if we get the message for the battery or not. So remember, it usually took like 30 seconds and it will come on. So I'm gonna wait for a minute and see what happens. Come on, no lights so far. Looks like everything's good so far. It's been around 40 seconds already, and we don't have any messages yet. Alright, so I also can check this with my scanner. I can read the code if there's any code stored in the memory, but usually the message came right away. Even after turning off the car, the message will appear. But you can check with this, like right here. As you can see, 0 messages. So it looks like everything's good. Looks like the problem is fixed, and well, that annoying light is gone. Yeah, looks like it's gone. It's been a minute 30 seconds and we don't see any messages so far, so I will call this problem fix. And well, this is how you fix the problem on this 2010 Mercedes-Benz S500 hybrid. By the way, this is a hybrid vehicle, so you can see the battery right there, and we have the other battery right there. So alright guys, so I hope you liked the information on this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, like the video, it really helps out. And well, I'll see you on the next episode. Fix out. Bye.